so in this face mask, I'm going to be working with 2 different fabrics, elastic band. I'm going to be using this pattern of paper to work with this fabric, which I've already cut out. Let's just jump right into this video. So I'm gonna head to cut out the fabric just to hasten the work. So this, we are going to measure 4 pieces with this. For this, fold this into 4, just to make sure that it is in place. One, 2, 3, 4. So we are gonna join these 2 pieces together, this and this together. That, guys, we have here. So I'm gonna head to sew this part together. I also sew the other side. So this is what we have. I'm gonna place these 2 sides together, then sew it and come back to show you guys the result. So I'm gonna this is what we are having at the moment, and then I'm gonna, so guys, I've gone ahead to sew this and this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open there. Actually looks, because my ears are very small, so I'm gonna measure a very short, I think 9.5 or 9 centimeters thereabout. So my face is wide, but my ears are so small, so I'm just gonna go in with 1 inch to make sure that it's a bit tight. So that is it right there. So there you have it on here. So I'm just gonna put it inside 1 pin just to make sure that it's hold properly. So where here you have your handle already done. So I'm just gonna quickly go ahead to sew this and then sew this, then I'll show you guys the final result. So guys, here is the final result. So this is how it's looking. I'm loving this. So I'm gonna add I added my pattern to it, and then I'm just going to pin it in. We already have the fabric, so this is it. In, sew this right here, sew this right here. So I went ahead to add overlocker. It looks like I'm going to open this. So pins on this part of the fabric. I don't know, let me just show you guys what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to pin this into here. Then another 7 inches. Okay. Just as sewed, you can see. The marks is coming together. So I'm gonna stitch it together and then wrap it around here. Create 4 bands that I want for my marks. I had to pin out the elastic, then I'm going to sew it down. So this is how it's looking. I'm just going to go ahead to sew it from here to here, then from here to here. So guys, this is the final result. So my face mask is done. It's looking, so before I place it, I'm going to use a paper. So I'm going to place it inside the mask for more safety. So this is what we are having at the moment. I can talk, I can breathe, it's well secured, my ears are not hurting me. Perfect, I feel so comfortable. What do you guys think about this video? So I'm going to do the same thing. So you put your tissue inside the mask for safety, tissue, and add it on the mask. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to share to your friends and family, and I'll be catching you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye! Wear masks to keep safe, stay healthy. This virus has no friend, this virus has no family, this virus knows no pastor. Keep safe, make a mask, and stay safe. Okay, bye!